guessed it, I'm back at this location. So happy to be here. I honestly was panicking because I thought Saturday morning, everybody's going to be bringing their kids. People are off work. People are going to be here. You know, it's going to be so touristic, but it's not. It's super calm. It's super quiet. It's stunning. It's beautiful. It's lovely. People are also complimenting me on this dress, men and women, just like, oh my god, it's stunning, where did you get it from? And then I tell them, actually only one person asked where I got it from, and I told them it's from New Look. What? Just New Look? Yeah, it's only from New Look. It just caught my eye immediately, and honestly I thought this size wouldn't fit me. It's a 10. I thought it wouldn't fit me, and then the cashier was like, you know what, you can fit in it. So I tried it on and it did actually fit. So yeah, I bought it and I'm wearing it and taking photos. Oh my gosh, a queen bee just made a beeline for me, no pun intended. Literally twice.
Love you in slow motion, anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you, doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology, just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face. You're sorry. And I quit my job for you, even quit some friends for you, cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2, when you promised we'd be together